Before heading to Tihar jail, Kejriwal offered prayers at the Hanuman Mandir and paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. The Delhi Chief Minister addressed a rally. During his address, Kejriwal said that he raised his voice against dictatorship. He also dismissed the exit polls, labeling them as fake. Listen in.
एक सबसे बढ़िया बात यह हुई कि सारे देश के सामने प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यह कबूल किया कि उनके पास मेरे खिलाफ रत्ती भर भी सबूत नहीं है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का धन्यवाद करते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को 21 दिन की अंतरिम जमानत दी। इस 21 दिन में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरे इंडिया गठबंधन के लिए, ना सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए बल्कि इंडिया गठबंधन की सारी पार्टियों के लिए कैंपेन किया। क्यों? क्योंकि ये चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी का नहीं था, ये चुनाव किसी एक पार्टी का नहीं था, ये चुनाव देश के लोकतंत्र और देश की तानाशाही, देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का और तानाशाही के खिलाफ लड़ने का चुनाव था। और जैसे हम न्यायालय का सम्मान करते हैं, न्यायपालिका का सम्मान करते हैं, और इसीलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने निर्धारित तारीख पर तिहाड़ जेल में सरेंडर किया।
Meanwhile, several BJP leaders, including the Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva, were detained by the police. The detentions occurred during a protest against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal outside Rajghat.
अपने कार्यालय से महात्मा गांधी की तस्वीर हटा दी और आज ये शराब का तस्कर, शराब का व्यापारी महात्मा गांधी की समाधि पे आया। दिल्ली की जनता पानी के लिए तरस रही है, लेकिन ये मुख्यमंत्री नहीं है, ये सिर्फ नौटंकीबाज है। इसका विरोध करने हम आए हैं। हम अरविंद केजरीवाल का विरोध करेंगे, 100% करेंगे।
अरविंद केजरीवाल दिल्ली के सबसे बड़े विलन बन गए। आज वो गांधी जी के समाधि पे गए। एक नंबर का ढोंगी। अगर गांधी जी को जरा भी फॉलो करते ना अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, तो आज आपको जेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। अरविंद केजरीवाल को डाइवर्टिंग स्किल बहुत अच्छे से आती है कि आपने दिल्ली के लोगों का गाढ़ी कमाई का पैसा लूटा, और अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि आप कट्टर करप्ट, आपको बेल तक नहीं दी जा सकती।
Now, on Saturday, during Kejriwal's bail plea hearing, the Enforcement Directorate opposing the bail petition had argued that the Supreme Court directives prohibited him from seeking an interim bail extension, permitting only a regular bail application. It added that Kejriwal had suppressed facts and made false statements, including about his health. The ED also asserted that Kejriwal had withheld critical information regarding the nature of the medical tests he needs to undergo, and noted that he had filed a similar petition with the Supreme Court as well. We have Sabyasachi joining us now to tell us more. Sabyasachi, first of all, is Kejriwal now settled in once again in Tihar jail? And second question, when is his next chance to secure bail?
Well, see, definitely. The Delhi High Court has reserved its order, and it would be pronounced on the 5th. Kejriwal continuously is looking to get some relief from the lower courts as soon as possible, citing that his health is not well. Meanwhile, we had seen that in the court as well. The war of words has been going on between both the parties, where the Supreme Court clearly stated that at this particular point, Kejriwal must approach the lower court for any sort of regular bail or interim bail. Meanwhile, in the lower court itself, when the case was being heard, the lower court clearly stated that the 7-day extension which Arvind Kejriwal asked for his health, and the court specifically asked that if within this 7 days, all the tests that is required for his health would be conducted or not. See, under these circumstances, the Aam Aadmi Party has been continuously saying that they are being politically targeted, and it is a political witch hunt by the central government. See, that is the point which Kejriwal made yesterday, when yesterday at his residence itself, all the top cabinet ministers of the national capital, as well as the Punjab CM Bhagwat Mann was present. Now, this particular meeting also focused on how to strategize the Aam Aadmi Party's next move, and also the Aam Aadmi Party national convener has put in place a secondary leadership to manage the party, which does not include any political role for his wife Sunita Kejriwal as of now, which she has been extensively campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party. She has been the face of the Aam Aadmi Party ever since Arvind Kejriwal went into Tihar jail. So clearly a lot of political development is expected to take place within the Aam Aadmi Party, but they clearly made one thing clear, that Arvind Kejriwal would be their leader, and Arvind Kejriwal only would be the Chief Minister of the national capital.
Absolutely, Sabya. So at this moment, the people of Delhi do not know for how long their government and their chief minister will operate from the Tihar jail. That is something we are tracking very, very closely. For